Welcome back to MHT. As we step into the winter season, many of us are faced with seasonal allergies. In today's video, we'll be exploring homemade remedies to help you find relief from those pesky allergy symptoms naturally. Let's dive into some DIY strategies that can make a real difference. Soothing herbal teas. One of the simplest ways to combat allergy symptoms is through herbal teas. Try sipping on chamomile tea, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Peppermint tea can also provide relief by opening up nasal passages and soothing irritated throats. You can boil a teaspoon of dry mint leaves in a glass of water. Let the mixture stand for about 10 minutes. Strain the tea and drink it slightly warm. DIY nasal rinse. A homemade saline solution for nasal rinsing can be a game changer. Mix a teaspoon of salt and a pinch of baking soda in warm distilled water. Use a neti pot or a nasal spray bottle to irrigate your nasal passages and alleviate congestion. Local honey magic. Local honey is often hailed for its potential to desensitize the body to local pollen. Incorporate a teaspoon of raw, local honey into your daily routine. Just be sure to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you have allergies to bee products. Steam inhalation. Steam inhalation with essential oils can provide relief. Add a few drops of eucalyptus or peppermint oil to hot water, cover your head with a towel, and inhale the steam. This can help clear your nasal passages and ease congestion. Embrace the beauty of winter without letting allergies hold you back. Which homemade remedy are you excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more natural health solutions. Wishing you a season filled with wellness.